I started this channel with the intention of showing you why you don't really need any excuses to prepare good food. Because I'm living in a tiny space with a small kitchen, I try to get all my meal prep done, and I'm super lazy, and for good reason. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you are not necessarily lazy, but are busy and don't want to invest a lot of time. So if you are one of those people who likes to get their meal prep at the beginning of the week, this is for you. So here we have one red pepper, one green pepper. I have 3 potatoes, ground beef. I like this. This is also halal. This one right here too. So this is a little fattier. As you can see, it's pinkish. Then I have some yellow curry paste sitting. This you can find at any of your Asian grocery stores, especially if you live in the US. This Mayploy brand. It's a yellow curry paste. I have a can of coconut milk. I have some chicken stock. So I usually, whenever I'm cooking whole chickens, I make some stock and then load up on that. If you don't have stock, that's fine. You can use water and then maybe a little bit of bouillon. And I also have some mushrooms that I never used. So we're just gonna use all these vegetables and make a super yummy curry for the whole week.